So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to duplicate a Microsoft Planner plan. So the first thing you want to do is go to your plans. So you will have your couple of plans that I've added on here. So we'll just go through how to duplicate it, and let's open up the first thing that's on here. So you can see the tasks and you can see the adding of new tasks and stuff like that. You can also see the board like this. It can add a bucket. You can enter the task name. So let's just stop and type something like this and click on add task. So from here you can see the three dots. So if you click on this, you can label it, you can assign tasks, you can copy link, or you can delete task. There's a few ways that you can do this on more actions as well. So you can export it to Excel. You can copy the plan. So if you copy link to plan or copy the plan itself. So if I use this, I'll see a layout that will look something like this. So from here, I will have all of these tasks right here, and I will be able to basically copy that. And after that, that's a new copy. So you can see a copy of the plan. If I go to plans, right now I have a completely duplication of that just called the copy. So let's go back to the original. You can also do something like this to export it to Excel, and then you can open it in different versions of the file. So if you export it to Excel, you're just going to save it to your files in your file explorer. And after that, you can just open it as a different type of file, but it will be a duplicate of that. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Microsoft Planner or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.